dance is called a bar song. 32 count, 4 walls. There is a tag at the end of wall 10, facing 6 o'clock. So now, let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, do a rumba box forward, side together, forward hold, side together, back hold. Alternatively, you can do the rumba box with a touch. Side together, forward touch, side together, back touch. So with the count will be 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, side touch, and bind to your right. Side touch with grab, bind to the right. Side, behind, side, touch. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Side touch, bind a quarter to your left. Side, side, behind, quarter scarf. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, diagonal heel to the right, return. Diagonal heel, return. Diagonal heel to the left, return. Jump to the front with hold. Jump and hold. Sway your hip, right, left. Last section, heel, return, jump, hold, 1 count, right, left. So with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. Let me show you the whole dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. So at the end of wall 10, there is a tag, which is at 6 o'clock. I will show you the tag facing 12 o'clock. End of wall 10, the tag is side touch, side touch. So with the count, 1, 2, 3, 4.